control panel. This particular one's featured in a Coachman Caravan. However, you will find the same panel in a Bailey motorhome. To start off with, we've got the mains power button on the left hand side, so that's master on, master off. You'll notice it says master on the screen and master off when we turn it off. We have two arrows here. Those are for navigating the menu. We'll come back to that in a moment. This button here turns the water pump on and off, so that's pump on, pump off. When the pump's running, there is an icon that displays in the top right corner to tell you that it's running. The next one down is the enter button. That's just for navigating the menu, which we'll come back to. Far right hand side, we've got the light shining downwards, so that's interior lighting on. That's just power to the interior lights. They've all got their own individual switches in this Caravan. And below that, we've got the awning light switch, so that's awning on and awning off. If we want to navigate the panel, we use these arrows, so it goes to settings. Then we've got the internal temperature, leisure battery voltage, and then back to the time. If we scroll down to settings, we can enter by pressing the enter button. And we can access various settings in here, such as the display and sound, so we can turn the beep off on the panel if you wish. You can change how the temperature is displayed, so you've got Celsius and Fahrenheit. Notifications are things such as errors. If you've got a solar panel connected, it will tell you if the solar panel is overcharging or undercharging the battery. The firmware is just the software used on the panel. And then we've got save and exit. That'll take us back to this screen, and then we can return back to the time. The screen will dim after a couple of seconds once we've stopped using the panel. You can change how long the screen takes to dim in the settings and display settings. That's everything.